Strong day of gains coming in for the markets, with Nifty seeing above 100 points gains, and looking at the IT index powering ahead for third consecutive session. Auto stocks are top gainers on the Nifty today, but I'm here to take you through all the stocks that's buzzing. First up, it is Tech Mahindra. That particular counter is seeing healthy gains on back of their Q1 earnings. The stock was above 5% in trade intraday, and it was at the highest level in the last 4 months. And this because the PAT and the EBIT margin both beat ET Now estimates, as well as the revenue came in line with the estimates. The revenue, if you see, saw a degrowth of about 6.3% on a quarter-on-quarter basis in constant currency terms, but this was much less compared to what was actually estimated. There was an estimate of 8.1% decline, so on back of that, the revenue decline is much less. If you look at the stock performance in the last 5 trading sessions, 10% gains is what Tech Mahindra has seen. Talking about Marico now, that particular counter has posted best gains in 16 weeks on back of solid Q1 earnings. Marico earnings were better than estimates despite seeing a volume degrowth for third consecutive session. The management is confident that the volumes will recover in coming quarters. The stock is at its highest level since November 13. Yes Bank, 7th day of decline coming in for that particular counter, and if you see, the stock has fallen below, the stock price has fallen below the FPO price of 12 rupees per share. In the last 5 trading sessions alone, the stock has crumbled about 40%. SBI stake in the bank has fallen to 30% from 48.21% after the fund raised by Yes Bank via an FPO. Apart from this, there are other media reports also saying that some brokers under SEBI lens for selling Yes Bank's frozen shares. So let's see how the counter fares in coming days. Next up, I have Birla Soft, second day of gains coming in for the stock. Biggest up move since July 8th. The stock saw gains of over 8% intraday. Bond Pro announced Birla Soft as surety systems integration partner, so that also is rubbing off on the stock. Reliance Industries, that particular counter continues to amaze the investors. 8th day of gains, perched at record high levels. RIL continues to lead the gains on the Nifty despite the downgrades coming in from CLSA as well as Edelweiss. They've both gone ahead and downgraded Reliance Industries, but that's not stopped the stock from soaring high. India's most valuable company is all slated to announce its Q1 earnings on July 30th. In the last 5 trading sessions alone, 11% gain is what Reliance Industry has posted, and all 80% gains in past 52 weeks. That is the performance coming in from Reliance. Apart from that, you have Ultratech, IndusInd Bank, as well as Nestle, that's in focus on back of their earnings that will be posted today. Also, you need to look at Dr. Reddy's, Maruti. They are going to report their earnings tomorrow.